Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber. In today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair with Fenty hair products. I was super excited when I heard Rihanna was coming out with the hair care line, but I was even more excited because this is a reparative hair care line that is made for all hair types, which means you're bound to find something for your hair type and whatever style you plan on wearing, while still keeping your scalp and hair healthy. This is my second time using these products, so I'm hoping to see a bit of a difference in how my hair feels and looks. So let's get started. To cleanse my hair, I'm using the Moisture Repair shampoo, which is called the Rich One. This shampoo is lightweight. To me, it looks more like a clarifying shampoo, but as soon as you apply it, you can tell by the lather this is going to moisturize your hair. And no need to worry, the shampoo is sulfate free. Because I am prone to tangles and matting, I try to find shampoos that are going to help make my hair feel hydrated. I struggle to find shampoos that won't leave my hair feeling dry and stripped, even if it is a moisturizing shampoo. I was surprised at how much the shampoo lathered, especially since it's sulfate free, and also how hydrated my scalp felt after using it. Each product in this line has a proprietary complex called Replenicor 5, which is a blend of ingredients that will help repair, strengthen, hydrate, smooth, and protect your hair in each step. So every time you use these products, your hair is being repaired. After rinsing my hair felt so soft and silky. I then take the Richer One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner and apply that to my hair in sections. This deep conditioner is supposed to make hair softer, reduce breakage, and repair split ends. You would think because it's a deep conditioner, it would be on the thicker side, but it's not. Although it's lightweight, it has a ton of slip, making it super easy to apply and detangle with. It just melts right into my hair while instantly rejuvenating my curls. If you were to get anything, I definitely would recommend this product, especially if you have color treated hair like me. On top of all the good things, I'm in love with how these products smell. If you can't tell already, I'm addicted. I could not stop smelling them, and it's probably why I've been using her products all week. You guys know how I am. I love a product with a good scent. All her products have a lovely warm floral scent that smells like a luxury. It smells very high end and makes me want to keep using her products. The only thing I don't like about this product is the directions. I don't like that it doesn't specify how long to leave the conditioner in. The first time I left it in my hair for about 10 minutes, but this time I left it in my hair for 30 minutes. I prefer leaving it in my hair for 30 minutes. After rinsing it out, I had a ton of shine. I mean, look at my curls. I'm excited to see how this conditioner will improve my hair. I really wanted to show you guys how good each product works, so I picked a style where I can use both the gel and the curl cream since you cannot use them together. I'm first taking the jelly type strong hold gel to slick down the front parts of my hair. This gel is great for ponytails, updos, and slick backs, but I would also use this for a wash and go by itself. Although it has a strong hold, it doesn't make your hair feel crunchy. It also adds shine and reduces frizz. When doing this style, I did part my hair a little too far back, but that's because I really wanted you guys to see how this gel molds my hair. I typically don't like gels because they usually aren't strong enough, and if they are, they tend to dry my hair out. With this gel, I have hold, but my hair and scalp still feel moisturized, and it doesn't leave my hair with a white flaky cast. For the back of my hair, I'm using the Home Curl Defining Cream. This cream is a gel cream that shapes, defines, and enhances curls without leaving your hair feeling hard and crunchy. It hydrates, softens, and conditions your hair while providing all-day protection against frizz. I will say, I was a little worried about this cream because sometimes a cream that has hold lacks in hydration or is too thick. But this cream is perfect. It's not super heavy. It has a nice slip and it did everything it said it would do. The frizz part really shocked me because I went in 90-degree heat and my hair had the smallest amount of frizz. I'm on day 5 as we speak and I can go 2 more days with this hairstyle. Once I was done styling, I let my hair air dry for about 30 minutes and then I diffused my hair till it was completely dry. I did have a slight cast, but I broke it with some oil, and this is how my hair looked once I was done. I did notice I had less frizz than the first time. My scalp felt refreshed and my hair was really soft. As the days went on, I had more volume, but still not a lot of frizz. If you try Fenty hair, let me know what you think and what your favorite products are. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. And like always, thank you for watching.